Let me tell you more about myself. I'm not a comic. No, I'm a scholar. Yes, been to school for 20 years of my life. So, as a scholar, I know a lot about Indian culture as well as European culture. Yes, and the problem I found with Indian culture is that we do not respect alcohol. Yes, the liquor. And that's why we are having so much suffering around us. And I don't know why. Because people who drink, जो हमारे शराबी भाई हैं, I think they are the only people who actually learned something from our freedom struggle. Yes, from Gandhiji they learned Satya, telling the truth. They always speak the truth. And from revolutionaries, Krantikari, they learned Hinsa, violence, fighting for the truth. And frankly speaking, we need these two things, truth and people who can fight for the truth. So in my opinion, the sharabi log, piyakkar, drunkard, they are the most principled men we have. And we must respect them. But unfortunately, we don't. And that's why we have so much chaos around us, For example, court cases, We have 3.8 lakh cases pending in our courts. Why? Because nobody speaks the truth. Everybody goes there and they're like, मैं गीता पर हाथ रख कर कसम खाता हूँ, जो कहूँगा सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. You see, in India, only 22% people know what is written in Gita. And they never go to the court. Yes. Neither as a criminal and nor as an eyewitness. They never go to the court. And people who actually go to the court, you give them any history book, geography, Chacha Chaudhary, Sidney Sheldon, Kam Sutra, they will still be like, जो कहूँगा सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. In fact, some of them, they get so excited, when just say, okay, Gita par hath rakh kar kasam khao, they are like, Gita? Kahan hai Gita? I mean, they are so excited. They think that for the first time in their life, they are getting a chance to touch a lady, Gita. And then they see this book coming, and they're like, yeah, Gita. पागल बना दिया यार इन लोगों ने साले. ये गीता. It's a fact. It's not a made-up hypothesis. There is this guy in Lucknow. His name is, I think, Hari Singh. In how many cases the guy has been an eyewitness? Around 700 cases. 700. Now you tell me, who is that guy? Huh? Invisible Man, Spider-Man, Shaktiman. I mean, whenever a case is happening, a crime is happening, the guy is there. You know how this guy works? Rumors are that the guy works on behalf of police. So whenever they are not able to find any criminal or any evidence, they are like, हाँ भाई हरी सिंह, कल कोर्ट आ जाना, ठीक है, और ये बोल देना मैं वहाँ पे था, मैंने ये देखा. And this guy, he's like, हाँ ठीक है साहब जी, ठीक है, बस आप थोड़ा खर्चे पानी का ध्यान रखिए, मैं आ जाऊँगा. And next day he's there, he's like, मैं गीता पर हाथ रख कर कसम खाता हूँ, जो कहूँगा सच कहूँगा. You see, there was this movie, Khuda Gawah, starring by Amitabh Bachchan and Sridevi, late Sridevi, and there was this song, तू मुझे कबूल मैं तुम्हें कबूल इस बात का खुदा गवाह. Some of you may remember. See, in that area, nobody say that Khuda Gawah, no. All of them are like, Hari Singh Gawah is baat ka, Hari Singh Gawah is baat ka, Hari Singh Gawah. Even judges and lawyers, they must be really afraid of this guy, when they are making love to their wife in the night, sleeping with each other, they will be like, Pushpa, gate band kar le, window lock kar de, batti bujha de, Hari Singh dekh lega, he can see everything. There must be an atmosphere of terror because of Hari Singh. Now that's why we have so many pendency. Now you want to solve these cases? Let me help you. Instead of giving them Gita, give them a bottle of whiskey. Yes. Vodka. Or as Russian says, vodka. Give them a bottle of vodka and have them drink it. Make them drink it, full bottle. And now you don't need any lawyer. No. No. Lie detection test? No. Whatever the guy speaks will be the absolute truth. Pravachan. No. Your case is solved. Now I put forward this idea, this theory, and people are like, no, you don't know anything about law. I told you I'm a scholar. You know, in law, in constitution, they have borrowed around 8% words from Roman and Greek language. 8%. Words like mala fide, bona fide, suo moto, quid pro quo, all are Roman. Now let me tell you another Roman saying. In vino veritas. It's a Roman saying. It means that there lies the truth in wine. In vino veritas. Now you are telling me that you can use those 8% words, those crap, but you can use the actual saying in vino veritas, which can solve all our problem, all our cases. It's preposterous, you know. Now some people say, no, law doesn't work that way. It works based on the facts and scientific figure and all those things. You want to talk about science? Let's talk about science. You know, Albert Einstein, the great scientist, once said that the problem we created at this level of mindset can only be solved with higher level of mindset. Now we know that most of the crimes are committed after having a couple of glasses of alcohol with little excited state of mind. Little. You want to solve those cases? Have him drink the whole bottle. His mindset is here. Super excited. The case is solved. I know. I'm intelligent. but the thing is, I'm helpless as well. I cannot press the judiciary to implement my ideas. Because, you know, judiciary has got this weapon like WMD, weapon of mass, not mass, weapon of man destruction, you know. Contempt of court. The moment I open my mouth, they will be like, contempt of court? Contempt of court? साले जेल में डाल दूंगा 6 years चढ़ता रही वहीं पर. No, it's like a ब्रह्मास्त्र in रामायण and महाभारत जिस पर चलाया उसका सत्यानाश बेड़ा गया. I don't want to go to jail. करो भाई करो, जो करना करो, बढ़ाओ पेंडेंसी, करोड़ पहुंचा दो, 1 करोड़ कर दो पेंडेंसी.